Today I will show healthy, delicious and very easy Ilish Polao recipe. Ilish fish 12 pieces, fried onion 1 cup, yogurt 1 cup, green chili 8 pieces, green chili paste 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon garlic paste, 2 teaspoon cumin paste, salt 2 teaspoon. Add 1 cup yogurt in a bowl. Mix 1 cup crushed fried onion with yogurt. Now mix well. 8 piece green chili. Add 2 teaspoon garlic paste. Two teaspoon cumin paste. Add 2 teaspoon salt. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Add fish in the mixture. Mix with the mixture very well. Now cover it and marinate it for 30 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil in a big pan. Now place marinated fish. First cook 6 pieces of fish, then cook rest of the fishes. Cook each side for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now flip over. It's done. Now transfer it on a plate. In the same pan, cook rest of the fishes in the same process. No need to add extra oil. See lot of fish oil coming from the Ilish fish. Now flip over. It's done. Now transfer it on a plate. Pulao rice 5 cups. Cloves 5 pieces. Cinnamon sticks 4 pieces. Green cardamom 8 pieces, bay leaves 4 pieces, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, onion 1 cup, 2 tablespoon olive oil, salt 2 teaspoon. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoon olive oil. In the fish oil, add 4 bay leaves, 4 cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, 8 pieces green cardamom. Now fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup onion. Fry for another 1 minute. Now add 5 cups wash and clean pulao rice. Fry it very well with the fish oil. Add 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Mix it and fry it for 5 minutes. Now add marinated fish spices with the rice. Add 2 teaspoon salt. And chili paste. Mix with the marinated spices very well. Now add 10 cups warm water for 5 cups rice. Mix well. Cover it and cook it until water level and rice level are same. See, my rice is almost 90% done. Now I will transfer half of the portion of the rice on the plate. Now take half of the cooked rice and place 6 pieces of fish over the whole cooked rice. Now spread fried onion. Now place rest of the rice all over the fish. Now place rest of the fish all over the rice. Now spread fried onion. Now place the pan on the flame. Cover it and cook it 30 minutes on very low flame. After 30 minutes, Ilish Polao is done and perfect. Take out all the fish from the rice. Now serve it in a dish. Place the fish. It is very hot. Lettuce leaves, cucumber, cabbage, onion, tomato, capsicum and green chili. Spread lettuce leaves, then cabbage, tomatoes, capsicum, cucumber, onion, chili, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt as per your taste. Now add eggs. It is egg salad. My delicious Ilish Polao is ready. It is very simple to do. Enjoy delicious Ilish Polao with the delicious salad. If it is helpful for you, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching YouTube channel Health is Beauty.